If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Google Pixel 10 Pro, the first thing that we can do is open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Network and Internet. And the first thing that you can do is check the airplane mode. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and of course this disables our SIMs. So we want to make sure that it is disabled. Now, besides that, we can proceed to SIMs over here. And what you can do is check if mobile data is enabled, so we can make sure that it is on. If you have 2 SIMs or more, there is also automatic data switching, which can also be the reason why you, for example, suddenly lose mobile data. So you might want to turn it off. And also, once again, if you have 2 SIMs or more, then over here we also have the primary SIMs section, where we can choose which SIM should be used for mobile data. Make sure that the correct SIM is selected. We can also go ahead and select our SIM from this list in order to find some additional options, like for example, well, roaming. We also have VoLTE and so on and so forth. But I think one of the most important options over here, in case you have issues with the mobile data, is this one, preferred network type. And I can understand if you, for example, disabled 5G in the past on this phone, but you might want to make sure that 5G is actually enabled. In this case, it is selected over here for the preferred network type. Just for now, in order to check if that solves the issue in case you switched that. There is also 2G network protection, which you can also enable. In some cases, this may limit connectivity in some places, so this might actually depend where you live. So on the other hand, if this option is already enabled for you and you have issues with mobile data, you might want to actually turn it off. However, most of the time, if you, for example, live in a city where you have good signal, then you might want to turn it on. Now, besides that, we also can go back over here, and we have adaptive connectivity, which can also be the reason why you have issues with mobile data. So you might want to at least temporarily turn it off in order to see if that makes any difference. If it doesn't, then just turn it back on. There is also the mobile data saver, which can also limit the access to your internet to the mobile data. So you might want to turn it off for now, at least as well. And oh, there's one more thing. Actually, let's go back to SIMs over here. In the SIM settings, you can also find the data warning and limit. So for example, if your phone gets if your phone turns off the mobile data after some time, then this might be due to the data limit over here. So if you have a data limit set up and you don't want to use it, then of course we can turn it off, or we can adjust the data limit as well. Alright, so if none of this helps, what we can also do is go to the main page of settings again, and this time we're gonna go to the system. Now over here in system, go to reset options at the bottom, and over here we have reset mobile network settings. Now you should also be able to choose a SIM which you want to reset if you have more than one. If you have just one, then you don't have this choice over here, of course. But you want to select the SIM with which you have issues with the mobile data, and then you want to reset the settings in order to see if there is anything set up in a wrong way for some reason, or something, if there is anything wrong. After that reset, it should be actually fixed. And then you can just go back to the SIM settings, make sure that the mobile data is enabled and the correct SIM is selected, and check if it helps. And that is pretty much it, what you can do on your phone in order to solve issues with mobile data. On the other hand, if that didn't help at all, if none of this helps, there is a chance that there are some issues with the service provider, with the carrier, and perhaps they have an issue, they have like an outage or something, there are some problems with the signal, etc. So you might want to, for example, try to contact the service provider, for example, and try to get some information. And also you can just simply restart your phone as well. Sometimes a simple restart of the device helps as well. So you can press the power button and volume up button at the same time and just press restart over here in order to reboot your phone. But that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.